These are the most memorable dancehall diss tracks of all time.
You know what bulletproof is, you want bulletproof skin. Bulletproof face, neck, forehead and chin.
Bounty Killer, Bulletproof Skin. One of the most ruthless songs from the Beanie vs. Bounty rivalry. Killer held nothing back, I tell you.
Streets don't know man legit in a war, never fidget in a war, not once.
Alkaline, Microwave. One of the biggest diss tracks of the 2010s. Massive replay value and instantly quotable.
We are the last man standing. Rifle shot, move the goalie banking.
Vybz Kartel, Last Man Standing. Widely considered one of the defining songs of the Gully vs. Gaza feud. Movado, New Name for Informer, helped intensify the Gully vs. Gaza clash. One of Movado's most memorable war songs. Ninja Man, Murder Them. A Sting era classic that showcased Ninja Man's clash abilities. Merciless, Ready for the War. This song is just a classic. Definitely can't forget the ladies.
How do you hold my trust? Girl, you hug me like me pussy got giant in the circle. Your body whole name London bed. Your mouth fuck out, that's why the man left.
Did you agree with my picks? Follow for more.